Crypto Underground is back with another video about new Solana projects that are upcoming, and of course we're gonna have a look also into Solana, guys, because Solana is one of the top-notch altcoins that I'm very bullish, and I think that here very soon we are about to get a nice breakout to the upside. Of course, no financial advice, guys. This is just my own opinion and my own TA. I'm gonna share everything with you guys. Welcome everyone here, Crypto Underground. Make sure to be subscribed. Our crypto community is growing every day. Check out all links in the video description to the best upcoming coins, and today we're not covering only one, not two, but three new Solana meme coins and utility coins that are coming out next, where I am extremely bullish and where of course I bought in already. I want to share that with you guys, and also for Solana we're gonna have here a quick TA as well. And I have also discovered this new exchange, Ourbit, guys. This is a very cool new exchange where you have completely zero fees on spot trading and a very low fee on futures trading. So if you're interested, use my sign up link to get up to $10,000 as a bonus here on Ourbit. No KYC, nothing needed, guys, and you can trade with leverage, everything that you want here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. You can of course trade on spot or also with futures. So sign up to Ourbit, a completely new crypto exchange with a lot of events that are going on, and of course also this narrative of animes, and also almost zero trading fees at all. So welcome everyone, and let's dive here straight into Solana, guys. And I am bullish for Solana. I think that here, after this consolidation phase and this trading range that we're building up here, we're gonna very soon see here a breakout to the upside, if Bitcoin of course is also pushing towards new all-time highs. Of course, if Bitcoin would crash, then also Solana could eventually come back down towards those areas here at around $30. But as long as Bitcoin is going higher and higher, which I'm expecting, of course, no financial advice, just my own opinion, I think that Solana also has the chance here to go higher. And therefore, of course, I'm also watching out for new Solana projects that currently are very hyped, to maximize my gains, of course. And for Solana, I think that after this move that we have seen, if we would see a breakout to the upside above our resistance, then of course we could see here potentially even a 4x on Solana, guys, because the next Fibonacci extension level, the 1618, is at $425. If we would see here Solana breaking out basically from our resistance that we have at $255 right now. And also Solana created a new all-time high. It went to $299, and if we are potentially retesting the all-time high here at $300 in the next coming weeks, it is very likely that we're gonna see a monster altcoin season, and then of course also Solana to push towards those levels, maybe even go higher. Who knows that? No one knows where Solana could be heading to once we are in new all-time highs territory, but this is at least what we can get based on the Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. The support is currently down here at $100, the resistance at around $255. Once this one is broken on a weekly base, I think that we have blue skies ahead, and that's why right now I'm watching out for new Solana projects. You can find them here in the video description. I share the link, guys, so you end up on the official website. One is of course Solexi. This is the most hyped one right now, over 46 million raised. We have covered that also many times in our channel. And of course then we also have this new Solana Glimmer, real world asset coin, and also Solanix AI token. Solana VM is over, guys. This one is finished already, so no more chance to invest into this one here, but Solanix AI is still ongoing. Solexi is the biggest one, guys. Don't miss out on this one. Less than a week left until this one is launching. I'm very excited about this launch, guys. I bought in very early. I'm also staked the coins. If you don't have any, make sure to jump on board. Of course, no financial advice, high risk, etc. But if you're buying, buy without staking here. Just connect your wallet. Just click here, buy with crypto. Connect the DeFi wallet, top it up with some Ethereum or Tether, and you're ready to go. You can of course also join it with Solana. If you have some Solana laying around, you can invest with Solana, but buy without staking so you don't have any lockup period. Then we have Solanix AI. This one here is going to be a completely decentralized exchange, guys, where you can also invest in right now. It is already mentioned in different crypto websites, also on CoinMarketCap, and this is going to be a completely decentralized exchange on top of Solana, which is of course AI driven. That means that also here no third parties involved, and they pass already through the audit result. They have the contract already done. and they have the pre-market phase going on for their own coin. You can invest with Ethereum, BNB, USDT, and many other cryptos as well. You can see here the price per coin, and they raised so far 4.4 millions. So hurry up, and also the more you buy, the more bonuses you will get. So think twice before you're purchasing, guys, because if you, for example, want to spend totally $1,000, then of course you get 10% more tokens if you, or with the first purchase, are going to use $1,000. Because if you're using less money, then of course you don't get any bonuses. So below $250 there is no bonuses here, but there is actually no minimum here. I think $100 or something, but as soon as you're spending at least $250 you get some bonuses here. So watch out for that if you're buying in. So instead of just buying always like $50 or $60 worth, decide first how much you want to invest. $250, $500, and so on, because like that you're gonna have more tokens thanks to this bonus system. They don't have any staking rewards, nothing here, so you have to buy basically all the coins that you want yourself, and of course get some nice bonuses here as well. So Solana AI is, in my opinion, also a very bullish project to watch out for. And then of course we also have Glimmer Finance. We have also covered this one here already, because this is the first real world asset marketplace that is coming up on Solana. This one is very early stage. You can see here the pre-market phase is this one. With every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price will increase, and the listing price on exchanges will be this one over here. So also for Glimmer Finance, I'm pretty bullish. Important is only, of course, that this coin is coming out, and of course that also the project is getting finalized, and that at the end it's coming out. Also here there is a total limited supply, and most of it is going out right now during the pre-market phase. So also on this one here I'm very bullish, because I think that many new things will be built up on top of Solana. So I'm not only buying into Solana, I'm buying also into those new Solana projects that I just covered, guys. So let me know, what do you think about those coins, and if you're also buying or not. I am bullish. I bought into all of those coins, but especially those Solana meme coins and Solana projects I like very much. So definitely stay tuned. I keep you updated, guys. And also we're gonna do big giveaways here once we reach at least 500 subscribers. We're gonna do great giveaways, potentially over on Bybit, Maxi Global, or even here on this new exchange, Ourbit, if it's going to be easy to do internal transfers here. I don't know that yet, but you can trade here very easily on spot or with futures. You even have here an earn feature as well. So check it out, guys. All links in the video description to get extra deposit bonuses, and of course also access to those new upcoming coins that you can invest in right now, like me. Of course, no financial advice. Everything is possible. You can lose everything, you can win a lot. Everything is possible with those new coins. Of course, also with Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. But we are here for that, and that's why make sure to be on board, guys. And of course, also check out my X account that you find here over in the video description as well. Thank you for watching. Crypto Underground over for now.